Well, today is the deadline for the state of Maryland to move all foster care children out of hotels. Good evening, everybody. Thank you for joining us. I'm Mary Bubala.
And I'm Kai Jackson. Now, after checking in with the Department of Human Services, Fox 45's Mackenzie Frost joins us live with an update on the children. Mackenzie.
Yeah, Kai and Mary. So not only did the state give itself about a month to get these children out of hotels in Maryland into licensed settings, but now we're trying to figure out some data points, and we're also asking the Department of Human Services, where did they place the kids after moving them? It's been 2 months to the day since Fox 45 News exclusively reported the death of 16-year-old Kanaya Ward. A 16-year-old girl under the state's care was found dead. Ward was found dead in a Baltimore City hotel September 22nd. The Baltimore City Police report indicating Ward's chaperone tried to wake her up around 5:45 that Monday morning for school. However, Ward did not respond. The chaperone came back nearly 5 hours later to try and wake Ward up again, but the chaperone noticed Ward was not moving and had no visible signs of life. The 16-year-old girl was pronounced dead at 11:01 in the morning. Ward was from Prince George's County, but was living in Baltimore City while under the state's care. She was enrolled as a student at Augusta Fells. The Department of Human Services assigned a 1-to-1 aide to Ward contracted through Fenwick Behavioral Services.
Oh, one-on-one care. What exactly does that even mean? I don't know. I don't think anybody knows, to be honest with you.
Ward's family attorney, Thomas Doyle, says she had a history of mental health struggles. She lived with her mom and grandparents, and Doyle says her mom was involved in trying to get Ward out of the hotel. Doyle says the family has not gotten many details about the investigation or the type of care Ward was receiving.
She was getting no care for her mental health. It's saddening, it's troubling, and it's just an unfortunate situation.
Fox 45 News obtained a copy of the autopsy report showing the medical examiner ruled Ward's death a suicide from an overdose of the active ingredient in Benadryl.
I cannot imagine how much Benadryl it takes to overdose somebody with a young, strong heart.
The report indicates she left a detailed note. An empty bottle of medication was found, and there were multiple self-inflicted scars found on her body. Fox 45 News learned the state ceased operations with Fenwick on September 24th and launched an internal investigation. The company stayed silent for weeks, but in a statement to Fox 45 News, Eric Fenwick says his company's commitment to standards are at the highest level. On October 15th, Fox 45 News reported DHS uses homeless shelters as a placement option in rare cases for foster care children. And 1 week later, DHS announced sweeping new changes. Secretary Rafael Lopez ordered a stop to all unlicensed placements, including hotels. On October 27th, DHS told Fox 45 News there were 6 kids still in hotels, and by November 17th, that number dropped to 1. Now that the self-imposed deadline has arrived, we asked DHS Monday, can you confirm all children are no longer in hotels? How many children are in shelters and local social services offices? And a question we've been asking DHS for weeks without success: where did DHS place the children? DHS says the agency has met the deadline, noting there are no children currently in shelters, local offices, or hotels. The agency says it worked with partners to place children in settings tailored to their needs and has placed them with kinship caregivers, in licensed foster care homes, and in congregate care facilities like a group home. We've also been pressing DHS for answers on the timeline of Ward's death and if the agency has a protocol for how 1-to-1 aides wake foster care children up. DHS continues to ignore those questions. Now, I've also submitted a public records request to try and get a better understanding of exactly what was going on at DHS following Kanaya Ward's death. So far, I've yet to receive any documents, but we'll keep you updated as this investigation continues to unfold. Live in the newsroom, Mackenzie Frost, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.